A very pleasant morning to all of you all, my dear children. Am I audible to you all, ma? Am I audible? Is my voice clear, ma? Okay, thank you. So happy to meet you all yet another successful week. Okay. So we were looking into the degrees of comparison, right? So of course, degrees of comparison is very easy. So rule number 1, we have gone through it. I think we would have transformed the sentences from positive to comparative and comparative to positive because there is no superlative at all in rule number 1. And I have told you all how to identify whether the sentence is in rule number 1. Yes or no? What are the qualities to identify whether it is rule number 1? So it's very simple, my dear children. Only two things or two persons or two objects will be compared there. Okay, only two things will be compared. If you have as and as or so as along with the adjective in the middle, that is positive degree. If you have er plus than or more plus adjective plus than, definitely it is comparative degree. So we have done it, I guess. Is there any doubts until that, my dear children? We'll move on to rule number 2 if you all don't have any doubts. Is it clear, dear children? Asir Arfan, could you mute yourself, ma? You could say anything in the chat column. Asir, could you mute yourself? Okay, thank you. Fine, let me share my screen for you all. Here comes rule number 2 for you. Rule number 2 is also quite easy, but you have to apply a lot of things here. So you'll have to be very careful when I'm teaching you all. Here comes rule number 2 for you. Okay. So quickly take out your classwork notebooks and write this now. So positive degree, I have given the keywords there. No other, and then few dots, and you have to write so dash as. So as will come there. As will not come, so as will come there. When it comes to comparative degree, adjective plus er plus than plus any other will come there. When it comes to superlative, the plus dash plus es. Okay. Wherever er cannot be used, there we are going to use more. Okay. More plus adjective plus than plus any other. Wherever you can't use est, there you are going to use the plus most plus adjective. So please do take this down, my dear children. Take it down in your classwork notebook immediately. Write it as rule number 2 and start writing it. I'll give you 2 minutes time to complete this. Quickly do it. Very good, Rahini. Rahini has copied everything. You can draw a table, man. Roughly, I didn't draw anything. Positive degree means you can split it. Comparative degree, you can split it. And superlative degree. That is for your convenience, dear children. Please draw a table. Within that, you can add this, right? If you're finished, say yes, sir, right? Very good. Haridev has completed. Very good, Haridev. Netra has completed. Very good. Ashwin has completed. Muhilan has completed. Very good. Arya, Dominic, Vidya, Vivin, Aditya Darshan. Very good, ma. Very good, Hari Pravin. Very good. Yadu. Very good. Very good, Sakti Sri. Siona. Very good. Okay, is there anybody still writing? Anybody still writing? Anybody still writing? Okay. Shall we move on with the explanation, ma? When I talk about the explanation, definitely you'll have to look at the screen only and you'll have to understand that. So when I am teaching you the rule, how to transform the sentence, if you don't listen to it, definitely you are not going to get it. Okay. It's very simple if you listen. Okay. Shall we go on? Go ahead. Okay. We'll go ahead. See, I got only 10 confirmation. I am not sure about plenty. Arunachalam, I don't know whether he has written or what. Asir Arfan, Edu Sen, Ovia, Gifta Pari, Gopika, Aishwarya, Shifa Mariam, Jaya Akshaya, Justice, Madhini, Nevin Christopher, Niranchana, Kavya, Priyashri, Priyarini, Ranjit, Rida Nashmiya, Risni, Muhilan, Shair Ahmed, Sridhar, Varuna, Yalini, Yuva Bharati. You all didn't give any confirmation, dear children. So when I ask for confirmation, I want everybody to give it. Okay. Then only I will come to know that you all have written it. Otherwise, you're going to land up with a chaos only. Right? Okay, dear children. Now I'll tell you what is rule number 2. Rule number 2 can be compared into all 3 adjectives, my dear children, all 3 degrees. It can be changed into positive degree, it can be changed into comparative as well as superlative, my dear children. And the very important part is what? If you are using rule number 2, it is going to be purely singular, my dear children. Okay? Only one person is compared with the others. Okay? Only one person will be compared. No problem. You can put the tabular column later also, Ashwin. Okay. Look here, my dear children. So as I said, look at the example sentence. No other girl. See, girl is singular. They are comparing another girl along with Ramya. Yes or no? Look at the comparative degree also. Ramya is more studious than any other girl. They are comparing Ramya with another girl only. So it is purely singular, my dear children. Is that understood? So rule number 2 means definitely it will be in singular. That is one of the ways of understanding the sentence. Okay. Then how to identify it is positive degree and rule number 2. I'll tell it to you. So basically, rule number 2. So since there is negative word, you will use so as first instead of as. Okay. So as will be there. If you identify so as is there, it is positive degree. It is in positive degree. Right? Is that clear? So as is there, you can close your eyes and write it as positive degree. How to identify whether it is rule number 2? I'll tell you, my dear children. Rule number 2, positive degree will always start with the word called no other. Is that clear? So, since no other is there, it is rule number 2. So, we are going to transform the sentence using rule number 2. And so as is there, so it is positive degree. Is there any doubts in understanding this one, my dear children? So as, instead of as, we have so as there. Whenever no other is coming, since negative word, see no is a negative word. So we are going to use so and as there. Is that clear, my dear children? So rule number 2, identification of positive degree will be like this. Okay. Now, next we are about to see rule number 2, comparative degree. How to identify it as in comparative degree. So here we don't apply ER because the adjective given here is studious. Studious cannot be compared like studiouser, studiousest. So we are going to use more studious and more studious. Okay. So more and than is there to identify that this is in comparative degree. Yes or no? So looking at these two words, more and than, we can easily predict that it is in comparative degree. Yes or no? Yes or no, my dear children? Okay, how to identify it is in rule number 2. If you want to identify that it is in rule number 2, there is a word called any other. See here we have it, right? Here we have it. ER plus than plus any other. If any other is there, it is rule number 2. Is that clear? Is that clear how to identify it in comparative degree? Okay, Ram Harish is clear with it. Very good. Very good, my dear children. Okay. How to find out superlative degree? I have already told you all how to identify it in superlative degree. So look here, dear children. In superlative degree, we have the plus most is there. The plus est will be there, but the plus est can't be used here because we can't say it as 2dsest. So we are using the plus most. Okay, only the plus most comes there means it is rule number 2. Okay, superlative degree. Is that clear in identifying all the 3 degrees in rule number 2? Is that clear, dear children? Any doubts there? Because this is very important. It helps the transformation here. Is that clear here? The rule has been given here. Superlative degree, the plus dash plus est. Okay. Now let's move on to the transformation. We are going to move on with the transformation of the sentence. Okay. Now look here, my dear children. So look at positive degree. See, no other girl is so studious as Ramya. So studious as Ramya. So it is given in positive degree. As I said, from positive degree, if you want to change it into comparative degree or superlative degree, what are we supposed to do? We will have to move the object part. Object part is this particular person, Ramya. So Ramya will come in front. So automatically, say for example, you're going to change it into comparative degree. What are we supposed to do? So no other belongs to comparative degree. So no other is not going to come. So is also not going to come. As is also not going to come because all these 3 things are what? All these 3 things belong to positive degree. So these 3 things will never come. So Ramya will move in the front. Is that clear, dear children? Ramya will move to the front. Okay. Now, after moving Ramya front, what are we supposed to use? Is has to be used there. See, it is in present tense. How did we identify that it is in present tense? See, in positive degree, they have given is here. Is belongs to present tense. So Ramya is singular. So we use is here. Okay. Studious is the word which we are going to change into comparative degree. We can't use studiouser there. Instead of it, what are we supposed to use? More studious. After more studious, as per the rule, what is coming? Than and any other has to come. So Ramya is more studious than any other girl is the comparative form. Is that clear, my dear children? How to change it into comparative degree? So as I said, no other is not going to come. So and as is not going to come. Ramya will be shifted in front. So Ramya is more studious than any other girl. If you miss out any other, it is going to be wrong. Is it clear, my dear children? As I said, no other is going to come there. No other is going to be striked out. So say for example, from positive to comparative, we are going to change. So no other is taken it out. So and as is also taken out. So Ramya will come in the front. So after that, we have simple present tense. That's why is given there. So the is will come there directly because Ramya is singular. So Ramya is, yes, I'm repeating it, of course, right? Ramya is more studious. So here you can't use er there. More is used there. More studious than any other girl. So any other denotes that it is in rule number 2. If you miss out than or any other, definitely your sentence becomes wrong. So all these categories criteria must be there. When you're checking it out whether you have done it correctly in comparative degree, what are you supposed to do? You have to see whether more is there, right? More is absolutely there. So more is there, than is there, and any other is also there. So automatically your sentence is right. So this is how you will change it into comparative degree. Is there any doubts, my dear children? Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt in changing it into comparative? Say yes or no, something like that. Okay, that's how it comes, right? So, from positive degree, dear children, from positive degree, we are about to change it into comparative degree. Okay, sorry, superlative degree. How are we going to change it into superlative degree from positive? I'm talking about the transformation from positive degree. So it is similar to comparative degree only, my dear children. It's very simple. As usual, as you did it for the comparative degree, so no other is not going to come, so is not going to come, and as is not going to come. Ramya will be taken forward. Okay. After Ramya, we are going to use this is. So this is used here. After that, see here, we are going to apply this rule here. The plus EST. We can't use 2D there. So instead of EST, we are going to use most. See, Ramya is the most studious. What is missing? So this girl will go this side. So girl will come this side and it will become girl. Okay, Ramya is the most studious girl. So that's how from positive degree, it will be changed into superlative degree. Is that clear, my dear children? Is it clear, ma? Okay, Srinija and Edusan have got it. Resni, very good. Naranchana Devi, very good. Anybody is having a doubt in this, ma? Be open, be frank, just ask. So as I said, I told you, no other is not going to come. So and as is not going to come. Ramya is going to go in front. So Ramya is the most studious girl. So that's how it will come. Okay. This is how you change it from positive to comparative and superlative degree. Okay. What if we are going to change it from comparative degree to superlative? See, comparative to superlative degree is very simple, my dear children. I'll tell you how to do it. See, say for example, Ramya is more studious than any other girl. So, more and than are there to identify that it is in comparative degree, right? Edusen, after everything is over, you are asking me how to change it from positive to comparative. What am I supposed to say once again? If it goes on, I have to repeat, and the entire class will be over. That's what I say. Listen carefully, then later you can do it. For the sake of one person, what shall we do? Let me repeat it. Be very precise over it. From positive degree to comparative degree. As I said, so and as will not come, no other will not come. So Ramya will go this side. So Ramya is, look at the rule here. This is the rule. Open your eyes and look into the rule. Ramya is, instead of ER, we are going to use more there because ER can't be used with the word studious, the adjective studious. So Ramya is more studious than, after than, in rule number 2, we have any other. So any other girl will come there. Is that clear, Edusen? The other students will get little bit bored up, really. Okay. Now see, from comparative, we are going to change it into superlative degree first. There is a point when I say from comparative to superlative degree, we are going to see here. From comparative to the superlative degree, we are not going to change anything. So one thing we are supposed to do. What are we going to do? Whichever comes in comparative degree, whichever keyword comes in the comparative degree has to be striked out. See here, more will not come. Yes or no? More belongs to comparative degree. Than will not come. Any other will not come. Any other belongs to rule number 2. Than will not come. More will not come. So other things directly you can bring it down. So Ramya will come here. Is will come here. After is over, we are going to apply this. Okay, Ramya is the most studious girl. So this is very simple, my dear children. Changing it from comparative to superlative degree. So look here, all the possibilities will be there. The plus most is there. So it makes it rule number 2, superlative degree. Is that clear, my dear children? From changing it to comparative to superlative. Are you all clear? Okay, Srinija. Resni, Maria Dominic Vivian, very good. Very good, Ashwin. Good. Niranjana Devi, very good. Beautiful. Okay. Now what are we supposed to do? Now what are we going to do? We are going to change it into positive. Changing it into positive degree is little bit challenging, but it's not that hard. Okay. Now see, same dear children, same thing. What we are going to do is, so from comparative and superlative degree, if you are going to change it into positive degree, the same we have to apply. So more is not going to come, than is not going to come, any other is not going to come. And Ramya has to be taken at the back, and this girl has to come in front. Dear children, we can't start it with the girl. No, girl is so studious as Ramya. See here, always positive degree starts with the word no other. Keep it in your mind. See here, so this girl will come this way. It means it comes along with no other girl. Okay, no other girl, and then this is will go there. So no other girl is. Now studious is there. No, the word studious is there because more and than have been striked out. So studious as Ramya. Okay, Ramya goes at the back. So studious as Ramya. So this is how it goes on. Is there any doubt in transformation, ma? From comparative to positive? Is there any doubt? So as usual, you have to start. Close your eyes. Somebody is unmuted. Please mute yourself, ma. Mute yourself. I'm not sure who's that. Okay, fine, fine. So look here, dear children. As I said, let me repeat it. If you are going to suppose change it into if you are suppose going to change it into superlative degree, as I said, it's very simple. So this more and than and any other will be taken out, right? More and than and any other will be taken out. Ramya will come down as it is also will come down as it is, and then instead of er plus than, what we are going to use? The plus most plus studious, the most studious girl. Same thing when it is changed into positive degree, what are we supposed to do? The girl will come in front along with, the girl will come along, come to the front along instead of Ramya. So no other, we have to use no other in the beginning. So no other girl is so studious as Ramya. So that's how it goes on. Are you all clear, my dear children? Changing it from comparative to positive as well as superlative degree. Any doubts there? Any doubts, dear children? Okay, perfect. Okay, now who's that? Ram Harish, could you mute yourself, ma? Okay, fine. Okay. Right? Now superlative degree. From superlative degree, we are going to change it into comparative degree first, and then later I'll teach you how to change into positive degree. Okay. So what are we supposed to do here? Look here. How do we identify it as superlative degree? The plus most is there. The plus most is there. So that is going to be striken out. So directly Ramya will come there. So Ramya is, okay, Ramya and this will come there. So see, instead of ER, we are going to use more there. Okay, Ramya is more, and the studious goes there. Okay, studious goes there. Ramya is more studious. After that, you have to use this one. Than any other girl. Than any other girl has to come there. Is that clear, ma? It's very simple. Changing it from superlative degree into comparative degree. Any doubts there? Changing it from comparative to superlative or superlative to comparative is very simple. It's not going to be that hard. Any doubts, dear children? Okay, fine. Rahini says she doesn't have any doubt. Okay, Srinija also. Kartika doesn't have any doubt. Okay, very good, very good. Don't worry, my dear children. It might be a little bit confusing, but when we are using it in a sentence, it's going to be crystal clear. It will be very easy for you, right? The final one, we are going to change superlative degree into positive degree. What are we supposed to do? Same thing only, my dear children. We are going to apply the same thing. So the and most is not going to come there. As I said, from superlative degree to positive degree, girl will come in front. Okay, girl will come in front. And we have to use no other. Okay, no other girl. And is will go directly there. No other girl is so studious as Ramya. So this is how it will come. Okay, is that clear? Is that clear? So the and most will be taken out, and Ramya will go to the last, and girl will come in the front. In front of the girl, we have to use no other. Okay, no other girl is so studious as Ramya. So that's how you're supposed to use it. Okay, I hope you all have understood it until this, my dear children. I think there's not going to be any doubts here. Is there any doubts there? Okay, fine. Okay, dear. So how to change a sentence? So that's how we have seen. I'll just give you one sentence today because we don't have that much of time. We have hardly 3 minutes. Try changing it. So I'll give you one positive sentence and I'll show you how to change it, right? I think we will be able to complete it. Now look at this sentence, my dear children. No other boy is so happy as Rajan. Okay. Now tell me what degree it is. How to identify the degree? How to identify the degree, dear children? Okay. Plenty of you all say it is positive degree because as is there. Okay. And how to identify whether it is rule number 1, my dear children? I have already told you all, no? What is the keyword which is used to identify it as rule number 1? So you have identified that it is positive degree. How to identify it is rule number 2? Because no other so as is there. Yes or no? Very good. So what are we supposed? So say for example, I'm going to change it into comparative degree. How are we going to change it into comparative degree? It has been done by Siona itself. So Sia. So as I said, Rajan will come in front. So Rajan is more happier than any other will come there. Mute yourself, ma. Any other boy. So this is how it will come. Yes or no? When we are changing it into superlative degree sentence, my dear children, so same Rajan will be there. Rajan is the happiest boy. So that's how it will come. It's very simple changing it, my dear children. Do you have any doubts in changing it, ma? Is there any doubts in changing? So anyway, tomorrow we are going to look into the exercises for rule number 2 specifically. So can we use two? There is a doubt from somebody. Okay, let me check for it. Can we use 2 degrees like more happier? No, it's wrong, Niranjana. You can't use more and happier together. If you think ER is coming there, you have to only use ER there. If you think ER will not come there, we are going to use more. So here we can change it as happier itself. So there is no need of more, my dear children. Yes, Ashwin Kumar, this is the answer of the second sentence which I have given. Okay. So with the example, it is clear for Rahini. Very good. Yes, Naveen Kumar, you have changed it really well. Yes, Ashwin Kumar. I have used more happier. I think I might be wrong. Yes. Literally, dear children, I have used it as more happier. I'm sorry. So it has to be Rajan is happier than any other boy. So I have sent it once again. I have corrected it. I'm sorry, my dear children. Rajan is happier than any other boy is the right answer. Rahini, more will not come there, Rahini. Naveen Kumar, more will not come because ER is there. No, if ER is there, more will not come. I think I am the one who has confused you all. Really sorry, dear children. Okay. The other examples we'll see tomorrow so that it will be crystal clear. All right. Thank you all. Have a great day.